This is another Lancer Evolution kit. Okay, so let's open. It is a Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 3 Hasegawa. Nice packaging. The item is very safe. Thanks JMN Hobby Shop. So this is a Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 3. Made by Hasegawa. So it is open. This is a 1/24 scale and a price of 2,050 pesos. Is this a rare kit? Let me know. Okay, so let's unbox and check what's inside. Okay, so you can see there's a freebie. JMN Hobby Shop. Okay, so here's the receipt. Okay, so let's see what's inside. The instructions. Okay, the clear parts and the decals. Okay. The Evo 3. Okay, so it's all in one pack. Okay, so it is all colored gray except the wheels. It's color white. So from here I can see the bucket seat, the spoilers. Oh, there's the loose muffler, the tires. Okay, so that's all. Okay, Mitsubishi Lancer GSR Evolution 3.